With a flick of its tongue, the massive reptile tests the air. The leopard knows it has been found, and tension mounts in the humid air.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Bokarnjai. Today we are going to be looking at the steps to create AI videos with Veo 3 with character consistency. That's going to be unlimited. I'm going to start with how to get the prompt with character consistency, and we're going to be unlocking step 2, step 3 as well as step 4. When you take a look at this channel called Anaconda, and when you scroll down, you're going to be seeing that they are making monthly income of 55,000 US dollars. And if you want to confirm this, let me copy the link and go to Social Blades. Once you're in Social Blade, you click on YouTube and paste the link, then scroll down. You're going to be seeing the real estimated value here. They are making around $3,000 to 50K per month. That is a decent amount of money. You can see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Every day they are roughly close to 121 to 1.9K per day, in between 104 to 1.7K. And you can see Friday also $137 to $2,200 per day, roughly estimated. We're going to be looking at the ways to make this kind of video step by step. So step 1, what you're going to be doing is you can come to the Anaconda website. As I am here on the website, then you can scroll down and look at the video that you want to create. If you want to create this type of video, then you are going to click on it. Now let's say we want this kind of video. Let me click on this. Then if you want to create this type of video, then you're going to take a screenshot of this one. Once you screenshot it, what you're going to be doing is you're going to click the button share, copy the link. Then I'll head over to Gemini and paste the link. Then you can come to this Google Docs here. I have prepared a Google Docs. You're going to pick this entire copy, transcribe the entire link provided above, and use the exact word said in and ideas provided about the product. Here we are not going to use any product, but just to get the transcription of the video. And so here I'm going to paste this one, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to leave this one and to make a space, transcribe the entire link above provided, and use the exact word said. Let me remove this one, and what we are going to be doing, I'm going to grab the screenshot that I picked. When I come to my screenshot here and I scroll down, then I'm going to hit continue or submit. Then Gemini is giving me the transcription of this video. These are the ideas that Gemini gave me, and this one you can see this is clearly Veo 3. This is seconds, and we are going to ask Gemini to make it 24 or 32 seconds if you wish. From here we are going to grab another prompt, then come to the second prompt, copy this prompt, then paste it on Gemini. And what you are going to be doing here is we are going to tell Gemini, alright, generate a Veo 3 prompt using this prompt above, and I will be using text to video format, and make sure it matches the images in the video. Make sure the scene and each scene is 8 seconds long. Make it, say, 1 minute long video prompt. And the most important part is we're going to tell Gemini to be strict with the character consistency throughout, and let Gemini expand each scene to meet the description and the visual. And we are going to tell Gemini to make it hyper realistic 4K videos, and we are going to tell Gemini also to make the prompt to look like having visual actions and include each of these actions inside. Then I'll click submit. If Gemini give you this, you can say only prompt, and Gemini has already given you this. What you can do now is to go to the step 2. Now we are done with the step 1. Now let's go to step 2, is to get Veo 3. How to get Veo 3 for free. Okay, these things are done. Now to get Veo 3, what we are going to be doing is we are going to open our website or a browser, search for Flow, or you can say Google Flow. When you search for Google Flow, we are going to be seeing Google Lab. Then the second step you can do is to look for Urban VPN. Then you come to Urban VPN Proxy Chrome Web Store. You click on that. Then it will ask you to remove it from Chrome. I have already pinned it here. Then it is almost uploaded. It is pinned here. That is why it's telling me to remove it from Chrome. What I can do here is to add it to Chrome. If you are new, to this site, you are going to be seeing add to Chrome. Then you can click here and add it to Chrome. Then you can click on the Urban VPN. It's going to give you your location that you can use to activate. And here when you click on United States, you are going to be seeing different countries. German is here, United Kingdom, United States, we have Algeria, we have Australia, Belgium, Brazil. Now you can look at one country. If you want, you can leave it in German, United Kingdom, United States, but I normally go with the United States. Then you come back to Flow, click on Google Lab. You're going to see create with Flow, click on that. And once you are inside, you can click on your email icon. Once you click on your email icon, it's going to give you 50 AI credits. But don't mind, I will show you how to refresh this one or how to get another 50 again, because it gives you 50 AI credits. Sometimes you can get 150 credits daily, but I'm going to show you how you can get another 50 AI credits or more. Now you click on new project. Once you are here, it's going to show you Nano Banana Pro. Click on that. We are going to create videos. Then you click on 9:16 because we are going to do shorts. You click on video and come to 9:16, and this one here, it says 1 video per generation, 2 video per generation, 3 videos, as well as 4 videos. What you can do here is you leave it on 1 video per generation. That means it's going to create 1 video in every single prompt. You come to view 3.1 light, fast, quality. We can leave it in fast takes 20 credits. We can also leave it in light. Light consumes 10 credits. So we're going to test both of this one. Let me leave it in light, 10 credits. Here it says start and end. If you have an image that you want to animate, then you can click here and upload your image. Then if you want the end of video to look like another prompt again, or the same video but different visuals, you can click on end site and upload another image again. But we are going to be dealing with only text to image, so we are going to be dealing with text to video only. And you can come back to your prompt and copy all of this with the master prompt, because master prompt is the controller and it's going to tell you how the scene is going to look like. Then come to flow, paste it there, then paste, and I will click submit. Then I can go to the second scene. I'm going to grab the second scene. I'm going to paste the second scene. Let's go for the master prompt. I'm going to paste the master prompt also on top of this one. Then I will click generate. Then I will paste back that master prompt and come back to scene 3, copy everything, come back to flow, and I'm going to paste it there and click generate. Let's go back to the master prompt. Then I will come back to the same place, flow, paste it there. Let's go back to scene 4. We're going to copy everything. Then let's go back to flow and click generate. Sometimes it takes close to 1 minute before one video is done. I think this one is almost done. Then you are going to download them according to the number of scenes that appears. This one is done. This one also is almost done. The second one. The third one is 59%. This one is 31, 32. Then we can check our prompt. We have 10 left. Then we can bring another prompt again. Then let's go to the master prompt. We stop at scene 4, master prompt. Then let's go back to flow. I'm going to paste the master prompt. Let's go back to the scenes. Now we are moving to scene 5. Then let's go back to flow and paste the scene 5 and click generate. Then let's check our AI credits. It says upgrade 10, or if I refresh this page, it's going to give me 0 credit. Or once you come here, you're going to see the number of credits that are left, and we can see now we have red. That means that the AI credits are finished. You need more AI credits to complete this request. It's going to tell you to upgrade. Now don't mind, I'm going to tell you very soon how to continue with the next prompt. Okay, then come back to another email. If you have 2 or 3 emails, then you can come back to your next Gmail account, and what you can do is to type again flow. Then you go to Google Lab. Then as I said earlier, you can go for Chrome, and you're going to add from Chrome. I have already added the VPN. Then you can add this VPN to Chrome. Then you can pin it. I will go to the VPN. Once I click it on, it's going to give me United States, but in my country you're not connected. I'm going to be using United States. This VPN is free to use. Then what I can do is to test it again. When you see it green or sometimes like blue sort of, know that it is connected, and you can come to flow, then create with flow, then new project. Let's check how many AI credit do we have here in this new email. We have 150 AI credits. So this time around we're going to be using view 2 point view. We are going to be using the fast model. Come to video 9:16, one output, view 3.1 fast, and we are going to continue with the prompt. Then I come back to prompt. We are going to continue in scene 6. Then paste your scene and we go back to the master prompt. Okay, let's get the master prompt. Come to visual, paste it around visual and click paste. Then continue, paste the same master prompt and let's go to scene 7, copy scene 7, come back to flow and click, let's come back to scene 8, copy, back to flow, and let's go back for the master prompt and copy the master prompt. Let's go back to flow, then paste inside flow and click submit and dismiss. Then let's come back to our first email. We have this one's ready, but it's telling you the generation may be taking too much than expected. Fail scene 1, scene 2, that is scene 3. Then we can modify that one because we have insufficient credits here to generate again. So what we can do here is we can take scene 3 back again to another email, but before we can download this one. How to download it? You click on this 3 download, then come to the original site, then come to the second one, 3 dotted lines, then come to original sites download. Then you have to download them based on the prompts chronologically. Then let's go to scene 3. Here in scene 3, we're going to copy everything. Then head back to Google Flow and we're going to bring the space a little bit. We're going to bring the master prompt. Here's the master prompt copy and let's head back to Flow. Here in Flow, I'm going to paste the master prompt and I'm going to generate scene 3. And here scene 3 is done. Then we can come here and download scene 3. Then we can come back to our first email, continue scene 4, download scene 5, download scene 6, download. Then let's go back to our second email, scene 7, download scene 8, download scene 9, and download. Now the next step is step 3. We have already animated our video. That is using view 3 to animate it. And step 4, we're going to arrange everything in CapCut. So let's check for the step 4. Okay, once you're in CapCut, you're going to click on this plus button or you come to upload, then upload a file. Then you can grab them one after the other. Then I'll add it to the timeline. Then we go for the second one, upload again, go to file, the third video, open, drag it here and drop it, upload file, the fourth video, open, now drag and drop, we position it down, upload file, the fifth video, open, then click, drop here, upload a file, then the video 6, drag and drop here, then upload a file again, video 7, open, drag and drop, upload a file, open, drag and drop, bring it down, upload a file, drag and drop, and let's look at whether there's any view watermark. If there's a watermark, then you can zoom it out a little bit to remove the watermark. Then let's turn the aspect ratio to 9:16. Let's see how it's going to look like, whether there's any view watermark in it. There's a small view watermark below when you look at. So what you can do here is you can place your arrow here and zoom it in. The watermark is disappeared. Do the same thing to all of them. Here is the final result.
The Bolivian anaconda, a creature of immense power, begins its arduous climb towards the canopy. Every muscle strains in this sun-drenched arena. With a flick of its tongue, the massive reptile tests the air. The leopard knows it has been found, and tension mounts in the humid air. In a display of raw power, the leopard launches its attack. But the anaconda is ready.